I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your iPhone is updated and ready. This prevents pairing hiccups. Hold your Apple Watch close, power it on, and look for the pairing animation on the watch face. On the iPhone, open the Watch app and tap Start Pairing. The app scans the pattern or lets you pair manually. Once done, sign in with your Apple ID and enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi so the devices can exchange settings and health data securely. Once paired, you configure core settings so the watch works for you. In the Watch app on your iPhone, select a face, add complications, and adjust notification delivery. Make sure critical alerts come through. Next, install or sync apps, prioritizing fitness and messaging tools. This saves space and battery. Set a passcode, enable Apple Pay if desired, and grant health and motion permissions, so tracking and safety features function correctly without you needing to revisit permissions later. Now you use the Apple Watch daily. Swipe to access the control center, press the crown to open apps, and use the dock for favorites. This speeds common tasks. Charge the watch each night and monitor battery percent in the Watch app, enabling low power mode when needed. If something goes wrong, pairing issues, or missing notifications, restart both devices, check Bluetooth/Wi-Fi, and reset network settings if necessary. If problems persist, unpair and repair to refresh the connection and settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.